ColorWay is a bright and modern HTML template that was created for printing services companies, type design services, typography services, photocopying services, and any other business related to printing services. What do you need in order to promote your printing company? Probably a lot of things, but the most important thing is paying attention to advertising. And that being said, the best way to start advertising your services to a wide audience of people is launching a website. What should this website be like? Bright, memorable, eye-catching, and breathtaking. And this is exactly what we're offering you right now. This printing services HTML template has all the necessary pages where you can place your company's main info and publish your mind-blowing work examples so that your clients can see that you should be their ultimate choice. The template has pages like About Us, Our Team, Copy Center, Commercial Printing, Services, Gallery, Coming Soon, Designs, Blog, Shop, Contacts, etc. The template features tons of widgets and shortcodes. Its code is very well formatted and commented, so it won't be hard to customize it. We backed up the template with a great documentation and a 5-star support team that is always at your service. Template features 100 plus predefined HTML page, various headers, footers, etc. Side, left and right menu, mega menu, bootstrap 3 based PSD files included, fully responsive, animate everything you want, parallax sections, tons of shortcodes, extremely customizable free fonts and icons, working PHP scripts and widgets included, Instagram widget, Flickr widget, MailChimp subscribe form, Twitter widget, contact form, search clean and valid code, and much more. What you get: HTML, CSS, JS, and PHP files, working PHP scripts, full layered PSD files, free icon fonts, good documentation. Credits and sources.